Risks are an inherent part of any project, and managing them effectively can make the difference between project success and failure. By identifying and mitigating risks early on, project managers can avoid potential setbacks and minimize the impact of risks on a project outcome. A well-defined risk management plan is a crucial component to ensuring successful project delivery. Our project risk management course is designed for both experienced project managers and those new to the field, and will offer a comprehensive understanding of the concepts and techniques required to manage risks effectively. Essential topics such as risk identification, assessment, and response planning are covered in the course, and participants are taught practical tools and techniques to manage risks throughout the project lifecycle. You'll gain the skills to make informed decisions, reduce uncertainty, and increase the chances of project success. Join us for our project risk management course and take control of your project's risks.